guys? Welcome back to Southern Latitudes. I'm Robin, and we have an exciting video for you today. Exciting for me, and some of you are probably saying, phew, glad you're getting it down. So today is the day, the last day, hopefully, that you'll see it in its entirety, almost entirety, like this. So it's coming down. We're gonna do our best to leave the tomatoes and the tomatillos and the sunflowers intact. But yeah, Jack just went and bought all sorts of saw blades, and we've got a canvas thing that we can throw all the debris in and then put it in the bed of the truck, take it to the dump. And so while we're at it, we're also going to be grilling, having some music, enjoying our time out here. It's a beautiful temperature. Started off cool this morning, but now it's like magnificent for working. And the grill makes it all that much better. Too bad you can't smell that. But yeah, here we go. I don't know that I'll be able to capture every bit of it, but we're going to try to do the best we can to just show the fun of bringing it down. We're not just going to topple it over. That would be fun. But we're just going to take it apart piece by piece. Just stopped for lunch, so the door's gone, all the wires gone, except for I got just like two little clasps on that back hardware cloth, And then I got the back, which I need to get. That's sort of like my job. And then he sawzalls, and he's been cooking. Yeah, still got to get the back here. We're trying to leave all the plants intact the best we can. I mean, I did move a couple near the front. And yeah, and the top's off. I can't believe that. We were hoping at least, if nothing else, get all this cleaned up. But I think we're going to go way further than that today. Okay, we're at halftime intermission, and Jack, as you've just seen, completely pushed the whole second story of the chicken coop over, and it rolled completely off. He got the 4 posts first, and then the sides, and completely pushed this whole thing over. And it broke. Oh, let me see. I haven't even gone all the way around yet. Oh yeah, man, it was a mess. But second story is down. Most of the front is, no, the front is off. So just, I think after we kind of disassemble this section, we're going to be done for the night, and we'll probably pick up in the morning. No, morning is church, but afternoon we'll pick up with finishing the first story part. Oh, I can't believe it's down. Well, you guys, that's it. It took 3 days, not consecutively. We started on Saturday, and Sunday I started getting sick. He started getting sick. Monday we were sick, and it was my birthday, and we had other plans. But anyhow, I ended up sleeping a lot, and then Tuesday we came back here, and today's Wednesday, and we finished off the last section. So anyhow, it's wonderful to get one thing checked off the list. That was a big thing before the whole summer. And you guys, I thank you for watching. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be in another few days, I think. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get these out because I'm still kind of on vacation slash sick. So you guys take care, God bless. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.